goodness, boys. I gotta go. Check this out. Another load of friggin' once it's ready. This is awesome too. Friggin' coolant's leaking out of the what's it down here on the passenger floor. So I've got chooched friggin' 8 McMarmaduker. So I bought a bypass valve so we can just like shove, you know, I mean I can just loop it, but put a bypass valve and then we can shut it off, turn it on. But yeah, I'm thinking about just sawzalling half the dash off, because like, man, I've got this side's all hooked up with my good shit. But it's got a major oil leak, and now this coolant leak. So yeah, expect your friggin' your shirts and whatnots to be on their way. Bit of a surprise. Surprise that I stuck in there for you too there, so appreciate it. Okay, I go. Oh, it's gonna record now. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, I've been recording for like an hour, and it was just not. So GoPro, ladies and gentlemen. But that's the new one there. Look at this setup. Holy. Freaking got the freaking wireless mics and stuff onto it, but makes it a little ambiguous for nice. I should get the aluminum brake that I got, and on those edges, right? Because those fascias are a little long, so if we just bend a little chamfer on the top, that can tuck up over top of the metal, right? So it'll be like skook. So's that, you know, it'll be more better. How is it under there in the wood? Not all rotten like the top plywood?
Oh, it's just the edge. Yeah. There's a few spots that are a little crunchy, but
yeah, down towards
right there.
Yeah, you know, where they didn't put anything.
Decent.
all the nails and everything else, and these crap was missing from here. It's just the little bit at that end.
Finger plastic.
That was good timing.
Yeah. Quality lumber.
It was free from Home Depot. It was the pallet wood.
Fucking how much those boards are?
You buy regular ones? They're just junk anyway. Just a friggin' carpenter. Tried to get shots with the GoPro, but...
That's a what?
Oh, the GoPro.
GoPro?
Yeah, that other camera. Oh my god, I don't know how I did it.
Oh,
so
maybe
long.
somebody will send you a new one. Show you how it works.
Yeah, maybe somebody will give me some instructions. That's how it works.
Nice. You're up there? Nothing.
Almost.
Way okay. You up for crawdad?
Nice.
Oh, 347.
Oh, yeah.
What happened?
You freaking out?
No. Measured.
That's what you measure. Measure thrice cut.
I'll measure for where the studs are. So when you pound the
Oh,
nails
for
in,
every
they,
stud.
yeah, they're different. So if they were all exactly 2 feet apart, then it would be better. But some are different than others a little bit.
100 of these seeds has over half of the lethal dose. Or, yeah. 100 seeds approximately contains 6 milligrams of atropine. If you take 10 milligrams, it'll kill you. Yeah, it's a member of Nightshade family, so it's fucking.
What does it do? Gets you buzzed?
It's a hallucinogen, apparently, yeah.
Oh, great. He's going to be out there tripping out. He's just like sticking it in his tongue, and then he's got him on his armrest, and then he's just grabbing a couple and drinking water and stuff. But I mean, he's got a fucking pile of them now.
Yeah.
They're all stuck all over his arm because they're on his armrest. Fuck. Oh, nice. Look at that. You can order a fucking self-wanker. So you can order your own girlfriend off fucking Amazon's now. Nice. What even is that?
I'm assuming it's for like a Halloween costume.
Foam fist. Novelty.
Yeah, it's like a
Koozie?
Hulk hand. Oh, so you can hold your fucking cup. Yeah.
In it.
Yeah.
I don't want to put too many in there. It's fucking full of holes. Too many holes.
How much overlap you want?
Oh, inch.
What?
Inch, maybe?
So you're gonna be able to cut that little lip off?
Will we cut the back side of that one off and tuck it in the other one? Or? What do you want to do? See?
Oh, there it is.
Find the other one? Oh.
Alright.
What's that? Probably. What? That's right. Oh, I gotta get my drill. I gotta get my drill, Bill. Good?
Oh, good, yeah.
Blinded by the sun.
Screws.
Yeah. Give it.
Well, I probably should have showed you. Eh? Probably should have showed you. Fallon and Crawdad did that.
Oh.
We got the slope though, that's for sure. Holy. Holy. We even bent little pieces we never showed you either. So that's good. I got those in there and a couple trimbolinis. But I got undercurtains, so we had to just get her done, and I didn't have time to dick around too bad, you know what I mean? So my sincere apologies, but yeah. Well, I thought we were done. Thought we were done a couple weeks ago, but a couple more nice days. Got a few done. Be awesome. But for right now, I quit. Got to friggin' get changed and stuff, do undercoatings, and then we can get back to printing shirts. I did 100 friggin' what's it? I should just show you what time is it. How much time do I got? We got like 7 minutes. 7 minutes, but I set up the lair. It's a correlation to my friggin' studio now. We got, you know, the last of the decals and neck tats and stuff, but made 100 of those last night. Check this out. I'm gonna make a video about it because they sent me this thing to make a video about, but I made that little template so that we can just bing bang boom friggin' banging out friggin' inwood custom friggin' keychains. Relentless. But yeah, got some inventories, different things. Don't forget to order a whole bunch of stuff for Christmas. Put Santa Claus under the tree. In other words, I gotta go. I'll be right back, probably. Well, we're at the final leg of the stovepipe. Check this out. Oh, hopefully I don't miss the shot. Hopefully I don't miss the shot.
You don't mess what?
Oh, I just wanted to get a shot of this.
What?
Oh my god. Little bit. Seam. Okay, one more cut.
Okay. A couple inches?
Yeah. Oh, what's your cigarette? Oh my god. That was diabolical.
When I'm working for you, I bring my hourly to it.
Right? I don't know why.
Good excuse.
Look at this. Can't wait for it to rain now.
Oh, I guess you need the screws again still.
Oh, I probably pull one out of there. Nice!
Oh.
decent underground friggin' what's it? Plumbing for the roof plumbing. We did roof plumbing. What are you gonna do? Special pumpkin?
Oh yeah, you can do it there.
Oh, that's a strong one. No. Oh my god.
It smashed, but it didn't come apart. Got a big crack in it though.
You throw the other ones over.
All of them?
Sure.
This is like a kid in the candy store all of a sudden.
What?
Kid in the candy store.
If you step up on the
Throw it really high. Oh. Tried to cocoa butt the other one.
That's what I was gonna try and do.
Sounds like a cantaloupe. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's a disco ball.
too many,
Disco ball down.
Yeah, it's softened with blow.
Gotta get in there now. Hit him with a hammer and a shovel.
Oh, I got my undercoatings done.